what we normally see for correctional is they're very interested is safety, obviously, right? Is having security tamper-proof screws, being able to tie the microprocessors down so somebody just can't get in there. A lot of times, we've seen inmates, they get a little bored, and so they'll get in there and just play with it just because they can. They'll get into a microprocessor and they can change settings or change a formula around. They can't really hurt it, but they can make it dysfunctional. So being able to have a microprocessor that has the ability to only maybe be programmed through a computer, so it's locked down, making sure the panel's got tamper-proof screws on it. But ultimately, what most correctionals we find what they're looking for is to be as energy efficient as possible, right? And that kind of goes back to talking about high G-force washers. Unimac wash, for example, we've got a spray rinse, so we're able to instead of filling the machine all the way up, rinsing and then draining it, is just turn it into a low extract, spray the water like a shower, and rinse it that way, where we can get that done in a couple minutes and use a fraction amount of water. So you've sped the cycle up, you've reduced the amount of water consumption, and you have a high G-force, so your dryers are going to work real fast.